Hello everyone, welcome to PUBG. As all of you know that the Indian government has officially banned PUBG since September 4th of this year and yet to take its ban on these Chinese apps. And since 4G game is releasing in India, there will be a delay. But don't worry, we always have a solution for this. In this video, I am going to show you the two ways of installing PUBG.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
The first one is without any APK for only Redmi users.
Oh my god! Wow!
And the second one is for other phones with an APK called TupTup. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. Well, the first thing we are going to do is check whether the PUBG is still available in the Google Play Store as of now. So open the Play Store app and type in as PUBG. As you can see, PUBG is clearly not available in the Play Store as of now. So now close the app. And now Redmi has its own app store called Get Apps. Open Get Apps and type in as PUBG and check whether it is still available. As you can clearly see, it is not available right at the moment. Now go to the settings and in the search settings type in the region. Currently the region is set to India. So now you have to change the region to Indonesia. After typing the region, it resets its location to Indonesia. So now click on the Get Apps and type in PUBG. Now click on the PUBG Mobile Lite and click on the Get button to download it. Now this is the second method. Click on Google Chrome and type in as TupTup. Click on the first link and there will be a download button below. Click on the download button and click on OK. Now go to the settings and switch on Allow from this source. And install the app in your device. It takes a few minutes to install depending on your internet. Go to the app and search in as PUBG Mobile. Type in as PUBG. The PUBG Mobile which is going to appear here is Korean version. Click on the PUBG Mobile and click on the download button. Here you go guys, as you can see the PUBG is clearly working. If you do like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.